What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Hope y'all are having a blessed day. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let's get into this banger. We got a 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Now, listen, y'all. Today, it's going to be a little different. I did take a little sneak peek. It is a little video right here. So, today I really just want to hear what they got to say because I also... Like I told y'all in the first time, like I don't really read through this before I make the video because I want y'all to get my natural reaction. So I never saw this video. So I want to see it. So I'm going, we all going to watch it for the first time together. You feel me? Like we always do. And also, before I start the video, I also want to put this out that I'm not trying to be the first person with this content out. Like I'm not I'm not trying to be the first person doing a review on a car, or I'm not intentionally trying to do a review on a car that's I feel not out yet. Like I know these cars are out. Some of them are not out. Some of them are out. I know that, and I just don't want you guys to expect to come straight to my channel and just think that every car I do is just not even out yet, So like I do know these cars are out, but some of these cars are just coming to my attention. Some of these cars, some people don't know they out yet, and that's the whole point of me doing these videos. Also, I'm giving my opinion. So, yeah, I just want to put that out there. But anyways, let's jump right into it before my screen black out.
Rolls-Royce is an occasion, but this one is especially so. It's the 2024 Spectre, and it's the first electric Rolls-Royce. It's also the first ultra-luxury EV, which makes it an especially big deal. Let's dive into its deep carpets and rich veneers and see what it's all about.
Also, I will be giving my opinion after, like always. So, be ready for that. I ain't gonna lie, I do want to say I am gonna be doing a little commentary. I ain't gonna lie, I love Rolls Royces though. Like they look pretty dope. This EV one is pretty dope
by the way it looks, and that's very deliberate. The company's clients were very clear on this matter. They wanted to look like other Rolls Royces, and by the way, their customers already have one or two in the garage typically. It still has the bluff front end, although the grille is more closed off because the cooling air isn't needed in the EV. It still has a long hood, long dash to axle, even though there's no need to package that twin-turbo V12 under the hood anymore.
Big V12.
There's a number of aero tweaks to get the coefficient of drag down to an impressive 0.25. Both underbody and on top, even the Spirit of Ecstasy pitches in on this matter. She dips deeper with her wings back further to cut through the air more cleanly than before. As with any Rolls-Royce, the Spectre comes in almost unlimited number of possible options.
Ooh, that spec is nice. Look at that door.
The view from the plush front seats is limited by a high belt line with countless distractions of gorgeous leather and wood interior materials that are almost infinitely customizable. The tap of the vents suggests billet. The interior is still wrapped around the central tunnel despite no longer having a longitudinal drivetrain.
Okay.
The now familiar Starlight headliner, which is dotted with star-like looking points of light, is augmented with a new option called Starlight Doors, featuring 4,796 additional stars in the doors and rear seat area. Or you can go with the traditional and spectacular wood paneling. That rear seat is definitely comfortable for adults, but those over 6 feet tall will want a little legroom assist from the person sitting in front. Once you've taken it all in enough to get on with the business of driving, the Rolls typical steering wheel that's thin-rimmed and large diameter is light in effort but very precise and, pleasantly surprising, passed along subtle road feedback. Over large swells in the road, the Spectre can be slightly too floaty front to back, but the roll is well controlled.
I don't think
the driver's seat of the Spectre stuffing its lane makes it feel as massive as it is, but the four-wheel steering and active anti-roll bars make it drive far smaller. If you subscribe to the chief engineer's take that silence is luxury, then the Spectre is quite likely the most luxurious vehicle ever. It's so silent that to experience it is to ruin every other vehicle, including the rest of the current Rolls lineup. Compared to a ride the next day in a Cullinan SUV, which is one of the quietest vehicles we've ever measured, the Spectre was so much quieter, we thought one of the Cullinan's windows might be slightly open. The company's first EV is about far more than just a lack of noise. Its tires roll so effortlessly over smooth roads, you could believe you're hovering over it. Although sharp impacts bring those thoughts back down to ground and remind of the weight of the 23-inch wheels and 32-inch tall Pirelli P0 tires. There's a modest amount of default regen with a B button on the shifter to increase regenerative braking to the point that it will bring the car to a stop without touching the brake pedal.
That bit look nice though.
We prefer a coast setting, which would further the Spectre's feeling of near weightlessness. There are no selectable drive mode settings, an approach we wholeheartedly agree with. A single excellent tune without giving drivers numerous ways to screw it up. The only choice is a noise that scales with motor output. With it off, our preferred setting, the motors are perfectly silent.
Hear your blood
Those
flowing.
front and rear electric motors and 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack come from parent company BMW. Peak output is 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet, which is all but equal to the latest twin-turbo V12 in the Phantom sedan. Although acceleration isn't bonkers by today's crazy EV standards, expect a rush to 60 miles per hour in the low 4-second range. And the estimated EPA range is 260 miles, sufficient for potential owners who, according to Rolls-Royce, indicated that they are almost exclusively interested in charging at home. Pricing for the stunning Spectre starts at just over $400,000, but Rolls-Royce says most will transact about in the $500,000 range. Nevertheless, initial demand is very strong. In fact, if you order today, your car won't be delivered until 2025. But
damn, that's that big money.
This fall, November 2023. The Spectre is that most wonderfully irrational vehicle. A massive, nearly BMW 7 Series sized behemoth, but with just
I think there's
doors.
a guy in Miami with one.
It feels both
I think
familiar
I seen a video
and
on it.
represents the ultra-silent way forward for Rolls-Royce.
C/D car driver. All right, y'all. Man, that was a nice. Nope, we're not playing you. Stop. But anyways, that was a nice little video they just had too. I wonder why they'll be doing that for the rest. But anyways, y'all. First off, I want to say this. Let's put this on this pricing real quick. First off, I want to say this. I always been a fan of Rolls-Royce. I like their cars. I'm just blessed the fact that I had the chance to be in one, and like they're pretty, bro. They're nice, fam. I'ma just put it like this, like especially like when you close the doors, like your ears almost pop, like it's like it feels like you're sealed in and you're separated from the world almost. Look, I did a review on my channel. It's still on there. I'm definitely gonna be doing some more actual in-depth car reviews in person. Just wait on it, coming soon. But anyways, it's just a real stout vehicle, like real metal interior, like metal buttons or whatever they want to call it, you know. So I just want to put that off, saying like it's worth the money. I ain't gonna lie, like I feel like it's worth the money. I feel like it's the most, like it's one of them vehicles you buy that you know, like every, like the way it's built, you know that the money is worth it, like a Bentley almost, and other things like that. So just want to say that. And also I think that them going to electric won't hurt Rolls-Royce at all. Just because even when I do think about luxury, like they said in the video, y'all, when I think about luxury, I think about like quiet, smooth, soft, can't feel a thing, cut off from the world, looks nice, timeless. So, and I think that's what Rolls-Royce is really finna start hitting on. And That it seems nice. I never seen one in person, but from the video and from the pictures, I like the way it looks. The rear, I feel like the rear they could have left it a little bit more. I feel like they could have left the rear a little bit more wide with the tail lights. Like I feel like they thinned the tail lights out a little bit for my preference, but they still look nice. I'm not gonna say they bad. I just wish they was just a little bit more thicker. Just to give it a little bit more presence from the back. But anyways, the front is nice. The front is gorgeous. Interior is gorgeous. And it was one thing I also wanted to talk about too. Oh yeah, like the suspension the suspension in Rolls Royces are amazing. So I can honestly imagine how it is without the big V12 in it. Obviously you got electric motor, but without even that quiet noise that it already has, like I'm pretty sure that car is like probably right now, probably like top of the line luxury right now. Even over the gas power engine, the gas power versions of Rolls Royce, Bentley, and other models as well. Mercedes, AMG, it's probably not as snappy as them, but I feel like luxury wise, I feel like that probably might be taking the cake right now. But personally, me, I'm the type of guy, I go for the Phantom. You know, I go for the Phantom right here, or I go for the Spur. That's just my vibe. If I go for personally, I feel like if I get a Rolls Royce, I want the big boy, big bossy, big boss, big front. If I want the Bentley, I want the big photo. I like the two-door too. Two-door really nice. I want the photo, big photo. Mercedes, Maybach, big S-Class, two-tone. You feel me? For all three, two-tone, but black and white. But anyways, but yeah, man, I feel like it look nice too, especially like the grill in the front. It almost gives me like a ocean shark vibe, like aquatic. It gives me like an aquatic vibe, like sea on land type of vibe. That's what I'm get. I get sea on land type of vibes. But anyways, man, I ain't gonna lie, it's a very, very nice car. Let's get to some pictures. It was something else I wanted to say too, but I can't remember right now. But yeah, man, that purple and white spec is crazy. Like, that's a really nice spec. God bless whoever got that spec. For real, man. For real. But I also wanted to see. I think these are actually blades. I believe. I'm not too sure, but I think these are blades. But like honestly, fam, I think Rolls-Royce can't go wrong. Like they haven't dropped the ball yet. Like I can't think of one model. I can't, bro. I really can't think of one model they really dropped the ball on for real, because every car they drop is almost like a masterpiece when you think about it. So, and honestly, good kudos to Rolls-Royce, because they really doing their thing. Because the fact that they this is all electric and it's, you feel me? It's like, but it's just, I have a problem with turning muscle cars to electric. AMG too. I have a problem with AMG going electric as well, but things like that. But as far as like luxury vehicles, the big luxury status, but I ain't gonna lie, I really don't want to see Bentley go electric, because Bentley makes some really good sounding. They make some real good sounding engines. If you haven't heard it, you need to go on YouTube right now and type in Bentley V8 or Bentley V12 flybys or dry or sound straight pipe, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, man, we got the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre. So, and I feel like, honestly, I think I really recently just watched I'm not gonna cap. I recently just watched a YouTube video of a guy who had one in Miami, but it wasn't. I think he said he was the first one with it. I believe so. I believe he said he was the first one with it. Y'all check it out now. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Also, drop. You know what I'm saying? If you guys feel a certain way about the Rolls that I don't, let me know in the comments below too. So let me know how y'all feel. We gonna end it right here. Let me know if y'all like this vehicle. Car and Driver gave it a 10 out of 10. Personally, I'm gonna also start rating the vehicles on my videos too. So I'm gonna give it 100%. Throttle's gonna give it actually we're gonna switch it up. They doing 10 out of 10. We're gonna do percentages. 100% throttle. We're gonna do percentage. We're gonna do percent throttles. That's how much we're going to do. And we're going to give this one a 100% throttle. Because, yeah, I think they most definitely, they nailed it with this one. I wouldn't mind seeing the Phantom. I wouldn't mind seeing an all-electric Phantom. For real. So, hopefully Rolls-Royce make that happen. So, anyways, we gonna end this video for today, y'all. Hopefully, y'all having a blessed day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and y'all know what it is. Peace out.
Doing donuts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's line. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better